Nice to meet you, teammate and Tom. Thank you so much for joining with me. And okay, so as I said that you have already a pop-up form on your website, right?
Yeah, so we have I've got a an SEO and a web guy, and email marketing kind of isn't his thing, but yeah, he recently, probably a few days ago, put the pop up on the website.
Okay, so
I'm not
which
sure if
which
it can
which
be
which email marketing funnel you are using? Klaviyo?
Klaviyo, yes.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So, as the previous discussion, we have very few data, like customer data in our website, in our Klaviyo funnel, right? So, in generally, like what you are doing for marketing purpose, like paid or social media marketing. Did you start any social media marketing?
So we're not doing social media marketing at the moment. We're literally starting today our PPC, our AdWords. But other than that, we're waiting because it's a new website. We're doing SEO, but obviously that takes kind of three or so months, 3 to 6 months to kick in. So the actual where we're getting our customers from at the moment is through Reddit. Reddit forums are where a lot of our customers go to find information about our products. And so that's where we're getting our business from at the moment. But judging on how much business we've done in the first month, with zero SEO, zero PPC, we have a high quality product. And so at a good price. So I'm expecting, to get some good customers at the moment, and in the future. So I just want to get everything set up correctly with the email marketing, everything like that, so that it's all set up for when the customers start coming in. I think we're just about to finish the first month. I think we've made about 51 or we have 51 paying customers, something like that. We sold over 100 products. And that's after month one, and we are nowhere on Google, nowhere at all. So we expect that we will start bringing in some more customers, and that's why I want to get the email marketing set up as soon as possible.
Okay, I got it. So once our traffic increase on our website, then when they like submit their information or unveil the sign up, then our customers data would be stored in our Klaviyo perfectly, and that time we will able to make a marketing. So, Toslima, did you take the access of the Klaviyo everything? Your voice is not, man. We don't hear it. Also, me. Did you get the access from that round?
Yes,
I've,
sir.
I've
Let me check. Yes, sir. I have got.
So, did you set up all the all the settings from your all automations as needed?
Sir, please. Let me check.
Did you set
There
up
is,
all automation?
sir, you can see there is only one email campaign
Mhm.
and flows. There is no flow
Okay.
created.
So first of all, as you have got the access, so need to set up all flow from welcome to purchase, like win back flow. Everything need to set up. So complete the setup. As you have very limited data, so which data we have, we can set up email marketing. But first of all, ensure the all flow setup, because flow is very important for like customers, because PPC is already start, social media is start. So set up flow today, so that all customers when they comes, then we can track them very fastly. You got it? Okay. তসলিমা সব কি অ্যাক্সেস পেয়েছো, বাইরের অ্যাক্সেস পেয়েছো সব?
Yes, sir. I have taken all his access.
আচ্ছা, এখন তাহলে ফ্লোটা সেট আপ করে ফেলো সবগুলো কমপ্লিটলি, যেহেতু
Okay, sir.
ফর্ম আছে। টম, ক্যান ইউ ইনসার মি? আচ্ছা, এই মৌসুমী আপু, এই যে যে হুইচ পপ আপ ফর্ম অলরেডি
স্যার আমি
ওয়েবসাইট?
স্যার উনার তো 10% ডিসকাউন্টের একটা পপ আপ শো করছে, হ্যাঁ, এটাতে উনার হচ্ছে 9 জন অলরেডি সাবমিটও করছে।
হুম।
আর হচ্ছে সাবমিট ইয়ে ভালো মোটামুটি। এখন উনার যেহেতু নতুন বিজনেস, উনি কি এই পপ আপটা কন্টিনিউ করতে চাই, কন্টিনিউ করুক, তাইলে এই পপ আপে থাক, আমি পুরো ফ্লোটা সেট আপ করে দিই।
Okay, Tom, I have one question to you. Like you have already 10% subscribe form, pop-up form on your website, right? So, do you want to continue this pop-up form or need to redesign new pop-up form? Because my team says that already 9 people joined through this pop-up form. So, if we see you at least 3 to 5 days, how it's going? Because you newly start up PPC and social media. Also, if you need the social media ad or video editing or SEO, because I have full team working for my lot of USA clients. So I will share with you our recent and previous all experience, no problem. But our main focus is to helping you the email marketing funnel as well. So what lacking is here, like need to set up all the flow first. So it's a very short time we can sort out this like this today, so that people comes and they can like we can track them through the flow. And pop-up form is look good, but if you want, then we can change. But you have to remove this pop-up form by your talking with your web guy. এই মৌসুমী আপু, এটা কি উনার হচ্ছে এই ক্লাভিও দিয়ে পপ-আপ ফর্ম করা নাকি অন্য কোনো?
এটা ক্লাভিও দিয়ে ডিজাইন করা স্যার,
ওকে, সো ইজ
কিন্তু এনার স্যার এনার পপ আপে শুধু ইমেল দেয়া আছে। হ্যাঁ, উনি তো আবার এসএমএস এর কথাও
না,
বলছিল।
ইমেল ইমেল দিলে এখানে ফার্স্ট নেম কালেক্ট করতে পারেন, ফার্স্ট নেম উইথ ইমেল।
আর স্যার উনি যদি ফোন নাম্বারটা দেয়, তাহলে ওনার এসএমএস ক্যাম্পেইন নেক্সট করার সময় ওনার হেল্প হবে।
ফোন নাম্বার দিলে অনেক সময় ফোন নাম্বার দিতে চাই না, তারপরে উই ক্যান ইউজ
ও
দ্য ফোন নাম্বার অলসো এন্ড ফার্স্ট নেম এন্ড ইমেল, সো দ্যাট when we can do the SMS marketing, that should be perfect.
Yeah, so if I can just add something there. So
Okay, so
with with with
we'll do now is stop this pop-up and redesign a new pop-up where including a phone number, first name, because when you do email marketing, then first name is very important. Okay.
Yep.
First name and email and phone number. That's 3 things we can include. But mostly phone number sometimes customer মানে দিতে চায় না, হ্যাঁ।
জি
Phone
স্যার।
number sometimes customer ignore phone number. So only use first name and email. That should be perfect for email marketing. Okay.
জি স্যার।
So there these 2 things and design a perfect way. This is the and also complete all the flow. This is the 2 things. Then 3 days wait, because our campaign is going like PPC and Facebook. Then how many people is stored in the backend data? You can check. Then start like marketing. Okay.
so can I ask a question here?
Yeah, Tom, go ahead.
So with the yeah, I want to get a number of different flows set up. So the welcome flow, and I've been told about I've got the abandoned checkout. I have that flow at the moment, but if you want to update that, cool. But I've also been told about the abandoned cart flow and just the browse abandonment. Now, how do these?
High flow is most important. Welcome, abandon, win back, like checkout. Okay. So 4, 5 flow is most important, which is needed. We will set up because
Okay.
that needed for your business. Okay. So
And how does like let's say the browse abandonment, how does that work? Because they haven't put any data in yet. So how do we collect how do we know
browser can also be included, because people when comes, then they not click any event or any like add to cart checkout or purchase. So we will like set up a function like 30 seconds or 10 seconds, or like they will scroll at least 25% of our website homepage, then they will consider this is like as a browser awareness. Okay. So we'll do set up this one also.
Okay, so how do you do that? How do you set up that flow? Because you can't collect any data with them, right? Or can you?
Well, so people when they submit, their form, submit our form, then they comes to our homepage, right? Then we can call it. Otherwise, not able to call it. This is the real things.
Okay. All right.
And another way we can track through the Google Analytics and through the did you set up the API conversion tracking in on your website?
The what? Sorry.
API conversion tracking with Google Analytics.
I didn't, but I think my web guy has. Yeah, I'll ask him whether he has. I'm pretty sure that we have.
So,
we have conversion analytics in our WordPress.
So you can ask your guy, like he set up the API conversion tracking or not, because this is the most important thing for your business. For tracking the people through the Google or the Facebook, which people comes on your website, we can retarget them through the API conversion tracking.
Perfect. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I mean, all I want to say really is like, I want to hire the experts. You guys seem to know what you're doing. I don't know too much about this, so I'm happy for you to advise me and whatever you want from me, whatever you need from me.
We are building a long-term relation with you. That's why I'm telling you some tips.
Cool. Thanks, brother.
Okay, so as you got the access, Musumi and Toslima, so you guys complete the task and show me on Zoom so that I can cross-check everything is perfect, and then you can deliver the Tom the report. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Tom. Thank you.
Amazing. All right. Nice to meet everybody. Thank you.
Are you now at Thailand or US?
Thailand. Yeah, I'm in Thailand. So I'm from the UK, but I live in Thailand. So yeah, we're by the beach is just there. So it's a good life.
Yeah. Okay. That's nice to like. I seems like I'll go to Thailand for time for trips. So obviously, it would be great to meet with you in your.
That's it. You're always welcome anytime.
Do you use WhatsApp, Tom?
I do. Yeah. Yeah.
Send me your number.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Finish here 1 second. There you go. So yeah, if anyone needs me, you can get me on there.
Okay. So.
স্যার তাহলে উনি ফাইনালি আমরা কি সার্ভিস দিচ্ছি ওনাকে?
হ্যাঁ, বলছি দাঁড়ান। Just say hello on your post.
Oh, there you go. Yep. I just received.
Okay.
Cool. And just add. Cool. Okay. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
All right. See you soon. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Tom. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.